Welcome! If you want to stay on top of every new post and story from your favorite creators on Instagram, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to enable first post and story notifications from everyone on Instagram, so you never miss out on the latest content. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right and tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. This will open up a list of options. From here, select Settings and Privacy. Inside the Settings and Privacy menu, scroll down until you find the Notifications section. Tap on it to open up all your notification settings. Next, tap on Posts, Stories, and Comments. This is where you can customize how and when you receive notifications about new content. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled First Posts and Stories. This is the key setting that controls notifications for new posts and stories from the accounts you follow. To make sure you get notified whenever anyone you follow shares their first post or story, tap on From Everyone. This will enable notifications for every account, not just a select few. And that's it. With these settings, you'll receive alerts whenever someone you follow posts their first update or story, helping you stay connected and engaged with all the latest content on your feed. If you ever want to turn these notifications off or adjust them, just follow these same steps and choose a different option that fits your preferences. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more up-to-date Instagram tips and tricks. See you in the next video.